I took a photo. Hello everybody. I'm supposed to be holding this on the camera, so here we go. It's actually gonna take a minute, hold on. So this was at my house, on the doorstep. Go to your room! You're not invited! I'm just kidding. Seriously. Yeah, I didn't cut my fingers open. I don't know what it is. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before... Wait, what? It's literally a gift. Keep your gift a surprise and wrap your present before opening this envelope. Okay. So, I'm sure somebody in the gift wrap department was pissed off at you. Because we don't gift... Well, we do gift wrap. Not during the holidays, but... Okay. This is standard blue paper. Good thing I have lovely piece of scissors. God damn, baked it. An actual ribbon. Your streams are awesome and I want to help make them even better, so I figured I'd get you this. A blue box! I'm so excited!
I wish it was the blue pill instead from the Matrix.
Wait, which one was the one that made you go back to sleep?
I don't know, as long as... Damn camera, not at me.
Oh my gosh. I don't even know. Yes. Thank you, Dono. Give me that. In that. You're an awesome person. Oh wait, I'm supposed to open this now. Are we doing party hats? Oh, it's the thing. Oh, okay. Dun, 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 dun. You're the most amazing person not in the world, but possibly. Ow. Thank you very much for supporting my streams and being awesome and a ginger. Okay, turn off. Turn off.